Hello, Mom and I are here, and she has had some requests for somebody for her to show people how to make biscuits. So we're doing a live video on baking biscuits, y'all.
Only one person asked me how.
But here we go.
Okay, first you have to get your ingredients all out on the table. Flour, shortening, and the milk. Not too hard. Get except for rising flour. If you get straight flour, you'll have flat biscuits. You measure them. I'm not used to measuring, so I'll just put some in there, but it's about 2 cups. This might be enough biscuits to last us a long time. Okay, that's probably enough. I reckon that's enough.
Looks good to me.
And then you put shortening in it. You can use Crisco is what I like to use at home, and you just put, sort of like that much. And when I'm at home, I have all my stuff, so I know what I'm doing better. Oh, you can't hear me talking at the table, can you? And then you just, wait a minute, I do it proper.
What's this? Oh, she's finding some more stuff.
She told me I might need an extra spoon, but at home you do it with your fingers. And also wear rubber gloves when I'm at home, because I don't like the way the dough feels on my hand. But we don't want to waste any rubber gloves around here. And I use a blender, but I don't know where hers is, so you just mash it into your flour like this. If you happen not to have a blender.
I have a pastry blender, but that would take more time to find.
And when I was a little girl, you'd put your hands in it and you squished it all around. And I didn't like to do that. But I did it anyway. Doesn't take a rocket science to make biscuits.
Are you sure? Because every time I make biscuits, they turn out horrible.
That's because you worry about it too much.
You think I worry about it too much?
Biscuit.
Whoops.
Did you
flip back to me? There you go.
That may have been a commercial break. Okay. See, you get it worked in like this. See there how it's all blended into the flour? Like that.
So how much Crisco did you put in there, Mama?
Oh, about that much.
About that much.
It's probably about 2, if you're going to measure, maybe 2 cups of flour and a half a cup of Crisco. But if you want to check it, look in a recipe book to see. Or if you're, whatever kind of flour you get, just look on the side of the bag. It has a recipe.
You reckon? So what are you doing that's taking so long to stir it up?
Because you have to blend it in.
So you smash it and blend it.
Yeah.
Okay.
See how you get it where it won't be. You don't want to get it. What you do after you put the milk in it, you don't want to do much work to it then, because then that's when it gets. That's when most people do. They work on it too much after they get the flour in it. And you put a little bit of flour on what you're gonna put it out on. That's so you won't stick. Oh, there is the measuring cups. But she's supposed to be going back to her when I do that.
Sorry.
And so you put.
I don't have much experience producing videos.
All right. I'm putting 3/4 cup in here, and I'll see if that's enough. And you stir it around. And you stir it around. And see, that needs a little bit more. And you can actually use buttermilk, but if you use buttermilk, some people don't like it, but it's good too.
We're using almond milk mainly because I don't do cow's milk products anymore. They give me migraines. So Mama's accommodating me.
See, it's not sticky. It's not packy. It's just a little bit sticky. So then it's what most people make it, and it's too thick, and then it packs together when you cook it. And you do have to put your hands in it, something like that. And a little bit more flour. See, you don't see how it's not very, it's light. So then you take it over to your rolling plate.
Okay.
I mean, it's probably called a pastry. And put it on your, and then you smash it up. You know, like that. But if it's sticking to your hands, then you got to work it a little bit, but not much. Just
Yeah, Letha, it's biscuits. This is my mom making biscuits. She's been a famous biscuit maker for a long time in our family, and
it's just because none of y'all tried to. There's some.
No, Mama, I tried, and my biscuits are terrible.
There's some men in the family
my biscuits are terrible,
and women too.
So we just thought we'd do this Facebook Live because everybody wants to know how to make good Southern biscuits. Mine look like rocks and taste like rocks when I make them.
It's probably because if you play with the dough too much, it makes it don't work. You have to put a little bit of flour on your, even when they say you rolling pins that say they don't stick, you still got to put a little flour on them. See, like that.
Excuse my messy kitchen all around. We just decided to do this on the fly. So y'all see how we really live. We have fruits and vegetables stuck everywhere we can stick them in this house right now. If we hoard anything, it's probably tangerines and potatoes.
And then you kind of make the little holes together with your fingers like that.
Now, what do you mean little holes together?
Where they stuck to that. See there? See it? You don't have to look perfect, because if it looks all perfect, probably not going to be good. Then you cut it out. Do you have a biscuit cutter? If you don't have a biscuit cutter, you can use a glass.
Can you come here and look at this and talk to these people face to face?
Who?
Hold it and talk to these people face to face while I find you a biscuit
Hey,
cutter.
Kenya, Sandy, Maria, Kathy. This is called a comedy hour. In case you want to laugh anytime, that'll be all right.
Biscuit cutter.
This is called a unhungry people biscuit cutter. See how little it is?
It's too little. All right. Wait, you're doing something. Okay. What's she doing?
You have to put some flour on your biscuit cutter.
Put some flour on the biscuit cutter, y'all.
You can use the top of a glass or anything you want that's round or square, whatever color kind you want it. And you put it down in the dough, but one secret is you push it straight down. You don't twist it, because when you twist it, you make them tougher. And then you pick it up.
All right.
Put it in your...
All right, we've got my pretty little...
Now, do you think it'll
pan
stick?
here. No, it won't stick.
Put it on a non-stick surface. And you...
All right, well, let's get the junk out of the picture.
When you put them in the pan, it makes them rise better.
Oh, that's a nice secret. They look pretty, don't they?
These are not for hungry men because that's not big enough.
She thinks my biscuit cutter's too small.
It's a cookie cutter, isn't it?
Well, it might be a cookie cutter.
But we'll have more biscuits that way.
These are going to be good. All right. Are we ready to wrap it up, Mama?
Well, you can wrap it up till they come out of the oven.
Yeah, because we're not going to make y'all wait till they come. How long do they cook, Mama? Tell us that.
till they're done. Till they get sort of brown, not black though, not brown. And you put them on your middle rack in the oven at 450 for probably after 20 minutes. Check them if their tops are brown, light brown, take them out. But if they're not, cook them some longer.
Are y'all done then? Gonna sign off? Tell them see you later?
Goodbye. See you next time. You can send your contributions to wherever. Your local charity.
Bye, y'all. Go bake some biscuits.